Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Hello everyone. I am cooking my lunch. I am cooking omelette. What are you doing, Allison?
I'm doing my laundry. I'm washing my clothes. Tatum, what are you doing?
Good morning. It is very cold today. I'm listening to music. Jongin, what are you doing? I am washing the dishes. What are you doing, Allison?
I'm drying my clothes. Tatum, what are you doing?
I am working. I am working on my computer. I am making our video. Jongin, what are you doing?
I am eating an omelette. Wow, it's delicious. I am drinking milk. What are you doing, Allison?
I'm folding my clothes. Tatum, what are you doing?
I am riding the bus. I am riding the bus after school. I am going home.